Aussie dollar long-term forecast for the week of August 20th, fxempire.com. Well, you can see it here on this chart. It's a very bearish looking week, and in fact closed towards the very lows, and that is a negative sign. However, we're just above the 104 level, and it should be stated, and it's much easier to see on the daily chart, but there is actually a bit of an uptrend channel that we've been kept in check since the beginning of June. So while this looks like a very bearish chart, we're actually not ready to start selling yet, and have decided to use 103 as our level of support that we have to get below in order to start selling. In the meantime, with central banks around the world expected to print currency, it would make sense that the Aussie actually rises in value as it's so tied to the price of gold. So we'll see, but we are definitely in an interesting spot in this pair. And if you watch the daily video on the Australian dollar, you see a little bit cleaner view of exactly what we're looking at. We could actually be at a spot where buying makes sense. Certainly, even with the pullback, though, certainly the Australian dollar is one of the favored commodity currencies, and in a world where the central banks are easing, commodities will get a bid.